Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll a little and tap on the display. Now let's pick advanced, and right under it we've got the wallpaper section. And as you can see at the very top, we've got the preview of the home screen and lock screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Photos, and this is actually your own gallery. We can choose something from on-device wallpapers, and here we've got some defaultly installed ones. And if you will have the internet connection, then you will also see those albums, so you will be able to pick something from the landscapes, textures, live or geometric shapes. So let me pick, for example, this option, and as you can see here we've got more wallpapers to choose from. If you'd like to check the preview, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately appears right here. If this icon will be active, then you will be able to zoom in and zoom out. What's more, change the position of the photo. So it's really up to you. As you can see here, you can also check the lock screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right corner. Right now, you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, we've got the information, so we can go back and check. And this is how the home screen looks like. What's more, we can lock our device and unlock it and check how it looks like on the lock screen. It also appears right here. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.